I again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer classes. Let's start with our today's topic. Today again we will continue with the same chapter, that is input and output devices. But the topic that we will cover today is storage devices. The name of the topic is storage devices. In this we will cover today hard disk, CD and DVD, and third is pen drive. Now the question is, what are storage devices? We have already learnt about input and output devices, but now what are storage devices? So storage devices are those that are used to store data, or information permanently. It means these devices are used to store the data or information or work that we done on the computer. That all work is stored in the storage devices. So let's learn about these devices. Our first device is hard disk. Our first storage device is hard disk. This is a picture of a hard disk. It is an inbuilt storage device. It is an inbuilt storage device of a computer. Now, what is the meaning of inbuilt? Inbuilt means it is already present in the CPU box. It is the internal device of the computer. That means it is inbuilt in the computer. Any data saved in a computer get automatically stored in it. What is the working of hard disk? It means that whatsoever data we are typed or draw or store in a computer, that automatically stored in the hard disk. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It means it is already in the CPU. Cabinet. Instead of inbuilt hard disks, we can also use external hard disk. Instead of inbuilt means when there are some problem in the hard disk, or when our internal inbuilt hard disk full, at that time we are using some external hard disks. External hard disk is those hard disks that we can attach with the help of wire to the computer, that are not present inside the CPU box. We can attach them with the CPU box with the help of wires or leads. That are the external hard disks. So why we are using external hard disks? We are using the external hard disks when our inbuilt hard disk is filled. It means that there is no space to write or store any data in that disk. At that time we are using the external hard disk. I hope it's clear to everyone. Next storage device is CD and DVD. This is CD and this is DVD. I hope everybody has seen CD or DVD at their homes. Now, what is the full form of CD? CD means compact disc. DVD stands for digital video disc. DVD means digital video disc. They can store a lot of information. It means they are also used to store the information, but they are not inbuilt. We have to put them in the drive. After that we can store our data. How they look? They are flat, shiny and round in shape. You all are watching here. They are flat. Their surface is shiny, silver or blackish, and they are round in shape. But what is the difference between CD and DVD? They both look same. So the difference is that we can store data in CD and DVD also, but DVD can store more data. DVD can store more data as compared to CD. DVD can store a lot of data as compared to CD. This is the difference. In both these CD and DVD, only the difference is of storage capacity. Only the difference is of storage capacity. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now the last device that we are going to learn is pen drive. We are going to learn is pen drive. This is pen drive. I hope everybody has seen pen drive at home. Nowadays at every home pen drive is available. Why and what is its use? It is basically a small and portable storage device. It is a small and portable storage device. What is the meaning of portable? Portable means that we can carry this device from one place to another easily. We can carry this device from one place to another easily. It is also called flash drive. The another name of pen drive is flash drive. What is the use? It can also use to store a huge amount of data. It depends upon the capacity of the pen drive. They come in the different capacities. Means sometimes it is of 2 GB, sometimes it is of 8 GB. Now 256 GB pen drives are also available. So it depends on their capacity that how much data we can store in the pen drive. So they can store a huge amount of data. What is its use? They are used to copy and transfer data from one computer to another. It means they are used to store or copy data from one computer to another. Like in our lab, we are doing work on computer number 1. There is no internet connection. So how we can transfer our data from computer number 1 to computer number 10? No networking is there, so it is not possible to transfer. For that, we are using CD or pen drive. In computer number 1, we can attach the pen drive and store our data in that pen drive, and after that we will go to computer number 10, put that pen drive there and copy our data in the computer. So by this we can transfer our data from one computer to another, and it is a very small device, so it is easy to carry it from one place to another easily. We can carry it in a pocket, we can carry it in a key ring. It's so easy to carry pen drive from one place to another. So everybody prefers to use pen drive nowadays for transferring the data. I hope it's clear to everyone. In today's class, we have learnt about 3 storage devices, that is CD, DVD, hard disk and pen drive. By this, our chapter number 3 is completed. For chapter number 4, stay tuned with us. We will learn in the next classes. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Have a nice day.